Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are discussing about antibodies. Antibodies are the antigen binding proteins present on the B cell membrane and secreted by plasma cells. Antibodies, also known as immunoglobulin, in short IG. Secreted antibodies circulate in the blood where they serve as the effector of humoral immunity by searching out and neutralizing antigen or marking them for eliminations. Antibodies are chemically glycoprotein and present in the blood serum, tissue fluid and mucosal surface of vertebrate animals. Serum glycoproteins are separated by electrophoresis. Next we are discussing about antibody structure. They are large glycoprotein. Rodney R. Porter and Gerald M. Edelman discovered the immunoglobulin structure. They got Nobel Prize for this work in 1972. All immunoglobulins are having basic Y-shaped structure. It contains two similar light chains and two similar heavy chains which are covalently connected by disulfide bond near the hinge region. Heavy chain denotes H. It contains 440 to 450 amino acid, weight nearly 50 to 70 kilodalton. In humans, there are 5 types heavy chain present: alpha, delta, epsilon, gamma and mu. Light chain denotes L. It contains 220 amino acid, weight nearly 25 kilodalton. In humans, there are two types light chains, kappa and lambda. Each arm of the Y-shaped is composed of one light chain and one heavy chain joined by one disulfide bond. Stem consists of only two heavy chains joined by two disulfide bonds. Both heavy chain and light chain containing two different regions. They are variable region and constant region. Variable region composed of 110 to 130 amino acids. Variable region includes the end of the light and heavy chain. Light chain denote VL and heavy chain denote VH. Both VL and VH are the antigen binding site in the antibody. Region beyond the variable region known as constant region. Constant region in light chain known as Cl. Constant region in heavy chain known as CH1, CH2, CH3. In this structure, we can analyze the antigen binding site, variable region, constant region, heavy chain, light chain and hinge region. Chemical and enzymatic methods are used for the identification of antibody structure. Porter done the proteolytic treatment for the antibody by using papain enzyme and get two Fab and one Fc region. When the antibody treated with a papain digestion, we can get two Fab region and one Fc region. Fab region containing one light chain and one heavy chain bind with one disulfide bond. These fragments have antigen binding activity. Fab means fragment of antigen binding site. It's a shortly write FAB. Fc region do not have any antigenic activity. It consists constant region of heavy chain bind with a 2 disulfide bond. These fragments are crystallized during cold storage, so known as fragment crystallizable Fc. Gerald M. Edelman conduct chemical treatment with the mercaptoethanol. Mercaptoethanol is a reducing agent, breaks disulfide bond, resulting two identical chain of 22 kilodalton and 53 kilodalton are obtained. Light chain's weight is 22 kilodalton, heavy chain weight is 53 kilodalton. The antibody treating with mercaptoethanol getting heavy chain and light chains without any bonds. Another experiment done by Albert Nisnoff using enzyme pepsin. Pepsin is a proteolytic enzyme. It cleaves carboxy terminal site of the disulfide bond, resulting fragment known as FAB prime all twice. In the picture we can analyze when the antibody treated with pepsin, we can obtain FAB prime all twice and some FC fragments. Thank you so much for watching this video.